All right, I found AJ, I found Larry, I see Joe. That's it. I don't know what is going on right now, y'all. Josh, is it even still alive right now? Oh, let's go! Oh, maybe not. It's fired it back up. Wow, look at all this. Man, Josh, you've taken like 8 years of rubber off that thing. You got to fire it back up. It's already running. It never shut off. You want to go again? You think the crowd should let you decide? I'll do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to hear him go again?
Yeah.
All right, Josh, let it eat. Let's hear you, Maryland. This thing is still going. 708 Landing 1500. Down there. Rolling everywhere now. I think we lost a tire. If we did, we've got tire chunks. Yeah, I got penalty. That thing is. Oh, Josh, you definitely got a tire that blew from the rear. That's for sure. This thing is. Whew. He said, I can't repeat that. So if you heard it, sorry kids. It's a G show. And it's still running. That's the impressive part. Yeah, that left rear is done. All right. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, what do you guys think? You think he's our winner? You think he deserves to get a trophy?
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. I got to hear that one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, think he deserves to get a trophy?
Yeah.